Hello everyone. In this class, we will learn how to use SQL statements to modify and delete data. Modifying data is a common operation in databases. MySQL provides the update statement to modify data. By using the update statement, you can modify the data of a single row, multiple or all rows in a table, either fully or partially. The syntax of the update statement is shown on the screen. Update, table name vertical line. View name, set column name 1 equals value 1. Column name 2 equals value 2. Column name n equals value n, where clause. In the above statement, update is a reserved keyword used as a command verb to execute modifications on database data. Table name vertical line. View name, the target of the update operation, which refers to the name of the table or view to be modified. Set, a reserved keyword that introduces the specific column values to be modified. Column name 1 equals value 1. Column name 2 equals value 2. Column name n equals value n. Specifies the columns and their corresponding values to be set. Where specifies the conditions that the modified columns should satisfy. In other words, it indicates that the modification will only be applied to records that meet certain criteria. If the update statement does not include a where clause to limit the scope, it will update all rows in the table. Next, let's provide an example. We will update the department of the student named Zhaolin to Jidianxi and change their birth date to the 1st of May 1990. The update statement is as follows. Update student set stepped equals Jidianxi. Birthday equals the 1st of May 1990 where name equals Zhaolin. Using update allows us to update multiple column values at once, which improves efficiency. First, let's run the select command to query the information of the student Zhaolin before the update. Their birth date is the 8th of September, 1985, and they belong to the department of Jisuanji, Computer Science. After executing the update statement to perform the update, let's run the select command again to query the information of the student Zhaolin after the update. The department will be changed to Jidianxi, Mechanical and Electrical Engineering, and the birth date will be changed to the 1st of May 1990. The example on the screen demonstrates increasing the grade by 10 points for a student who has taken the course Shulju Kuyanli, Database Principles. The modification statement is as follows. Update SC set grade equals grade plus 10 where NO equals selector NO from course where name equals Shulju Kuyanli. In the above statement, the where clause uses a subquery. The subquery retrieves the course number NO from the course table where the course name is Shulju Kuyanli. The course number is then passed to the outer update statement, which modifies the grades of the students who have taken that course in the SC table, increasing them by 10 points. To view the grades before the update, you can run the select command. The execution result will be shown on the screen, showing that the grade for the course Shulju Kuyanli was initially 60 points. After executing the update command, you can run the select command again to view the updated grades. The execution result will be shown on the screen, showing that the grade for the course Shulju Kuyanli is now 70 points. Deleting data involves removing existing records from a table. In MySQL, the delete statement is used to delete records from a table. The syntax of the delete statement is shown on the screen. Delete from table name vertical line. View name, where condition clause. Delete is a reserved keyword, a DML command verb used to perform data deletion operations in the database. From indicates the source of the data to be deleted. Table name vertical line. View name represents the table or view from which the delete command will delete data. Where condition clause specifies the conditions that the data to be deleted should satisfy. If the where clause is omitted, it means that all data will be deleted. Let's take an example where we need to delete all the students with the last name Zhao from the table student BK1 in the student info database. Before executing the delete command, first, let's run the select command to view the records in the student BK1 table. The result shows that there is one record for a student named Zhaoling in the Department of Computer Science. We will execute the delete command to delete all the student records with the last name Zhao from the student BK1 table. The statement we will use is delete from student BK1 where name like Zhao%. In the delete statement, the % symbol represents matching any number of characters. % specifically matches students whose names start with Zhao. Finally, we will run the select command to query the records of students with the last name Zhao in the student BK1 table to verify if they have been deleted. It can be observed from the execution result that the record of the student named Zhaoling has been successfully deleted. Now, we would like to delete all the rows from the student BK1 table in the student info database. To demonstrate the deletion process, we will first insert the student ID, name, and department values of students from the Jiswang Computer Science department in the student table into the student BK1 table. By running the insert command, the records will be inserted into the student BK1 table. The execution result is shown on the screen. Running the select command to query the student BK1 table, we can see from the query result that 3 records have been inserted into the table. These records belong to 3 students of the Department of Computer Science, Zhang Wenhui, Wu Xiwen, and Wu Zhaoxi. Next, we will execute the delete command to delete all the rows from the student BK1 table. The statement we will use is delete from student BK1. Finally, we will run the select command again to query the student BK1 table and check if all the rows have been deleted. From the query result, it can be observed that the student BK1 table is now empty, indicating that all the records have been successfully deleted. True or false questions. First, using truncate to delete records from a table is more efficient as it deletes the entire table and recreates it. Answer: true. Second, if the where clause is not used in a delete statement, it will delete all records from the table. Answer: true. Third, deleting records from a table can be done using both delete and truncate statements, and they are essentially the same. Answer: false. Fourth, deleting records from a table can be done using both delete and truncate statements, and they are essentially the same. Answer: false. Fifth, if the where clause is not used in an update statement, it will update the specified fields of the specified records in the table. Answer: false. Sixth, update statements can update a portion of the records in a table and can also update all records of a specific field in the table. Answer: true. Multiple choice questions. Select one answer choice. First, among the following options, the SQL statement that can update data in the user table is C. A. Update into user set ID equals U1 minute. B. Update user set ID equals U1 minute and username equals Jack. C. Update user set username equals Jack where ID equals 1. D. Update into user set ID equals U1 minute. Username equals Jack. Second, the purpose of the statement delete from student where name equals ITCAST is B. A. It can only delete one record where name equals ITCAST. B. It deletes all records where name equals ITCAST. C. It can only delete the last record where name equals ITCAST. D. None of the above statements are correct. Third, the result of running the statement updates student set name equals Yojin. Grade equals 98.5 is D. A. It updates the first record in the student table. B. It results in a syntax error. C. It updates the last record in the student table. D. It updates every record in the student table. Programming questions. Please use SQL statements to perform basic operations on a database according to the following requirements. The requirements are as follows. First, create a database named Chapter 03 and use the Chapter 03 database. Second, create a table named Student to store student information, including an integer field ID, a non-null string field name, and a floating point field grade. Third, add several new records to the table. For example, set the value of the ID field to 1, the value of the name field to Zhang Sang, and the value of the grade field to 98.5. Fourth, update all the grade records in the table by increasing the grade value by 10. But ensure that the grade does not exceed 100. If a grade value exceeds 100, it should be modified to 100. Answer. Create the database. Create database Chapter 03. Use the database. Use Chapter 03. Create the table. Create table student ID int 4th. Name varchar 20 not null. Grade float. Insert data. Insert into student ID. Name. Grade values 1. Zhangsan. 98.5. Update data. Update student set grade equals grade plus 10. Update student set grade equals 100 where grade is greater than 100. In this class, we provided examples to demonstrate how to use the update statement and delete statement to modify and delete data. We hope that all of you can understand and master these concepts well. Thank you, everyone.